Kung nasa networking ka, kailangan mo makita ito. Nahihirapan ka pa rin ba sa palipat-lipat ng website para sa networking troubleshooting o sa pag-aaral mo? What if may isang tool na kayang pagsamahin lahat? Mas mabilis, mas efficient, at mas smooth ang workflow. Sa video na ito, ipapakita ko sa iyo yung Network Geek tool na ginawa ko, which is powerful pero sobrang dali lang gamitin. So, paano ba gamitin itong Network Geek tools na ito? Napakasimple lang. Etong website na ito is readily available para sa mga mobile. So, click nyo lang itong burger icon. Lalabas yung mga options dito if anong feature ang gusto nyo gamitin. Meron tayong IPv4, Visual Subnet 3, VLSM Planner, IP Plan Generator, kung meron kayong mga sites, tapos meron kayong IP address space, then IPv6 meron din tayo. Then learning, ito gusto ko to lalo na sa mga nag-aaral ng CCNA, meron tayong OSI TCP IP model here. So, dito, may kita mo kung ano yung mga difference ng each layer. Physical, may kita mo kung anong protocol ginamit, how to verify command, tsaka ano yung katumbas niya sa TCP IP. Sa data link din, ganyan. So, mostly, based ito sa Cisco references. Okay? So, let's move naman dito sa, may binary basics din tayo. Kayong bahala dyan, napakaraming tools nito. So, dito tayo sa favorite ko, which is yung guided troubleshooter. So, ito, maganda dito is, makita nyo dito kung anong klaseng troubleshooting ang pwede nyo gamitin if may problem kayo. For example, let's go back, ha? Sabihin natin, interface down, link lights off. So, okay. Inspect the port LED on both ends. No LED, meaning no physical signal. Okay, failed, lights off. O, cable problem, ibig sabihin. Okay, now reset. You can choose anong klaseng troubleshooting yung gusto nyo dito. Let's go back. Method of reference, top down, bottom up, divide and conquer, follow the path, spot the difference, swap components. Simple as that. Kayo nang bahala paano nyo gagamitin. So ngayon, let's give a quick example how to use this one. For example, scenario 1, input is, sabi natin dito is, paano natin i-calculate using this tool. So, sabi niya, let me verify what kind, actually, pwede nyo na-click agad yan. Then, palitan nyo na lang itong number 3, .2, .0, making sure the prefix is correct, which is /24. Then, immediately, papakita nyo rito kung paano na-calculate yan, nakuha. Then, meron na kayo dito first usable and last usable host. That's it. Now, for VLSM, simple. Let's go to the planner. Sabi niya, meron daw tayo ditong gusto niya makuha tong specific network segment, which is .0.0, then /16, then allocate VLSM. So, unang-una, makikita nyo dito yung site. For example, allocation table for this data center is meron tayong first and last, ito mismo, 510 usable IP address, 254.126.62 and 2. So, mostly, pag nag-aral kayo na CCNA, pwede nyo gamitin ito for quick verification. Okay? Next is, ito, OSI reference model. Okay, sabi niya dito, may problema daw yung cable. So, punta tayo sa physical. Okay, okay. So, paano ba to? Cable issue, verify commands, OSI versus TCP IP, pwede nyo i-refer dyan. I mean, it's really easy. Lalo na pag nag-aaral kayo, mas maintindihan nyo ito lalo kung paano ba gumagana yung OSI layer. Lalo na pag in counterpart with the TCP IP model. So, next is guided troubleshooter. Ito yung kanina pinakita ko. Okay. Guided troubleshooter. Sabi niya, no link cable. Lights off. O, sabihin natin, okay. Okay, for example, gumagana daw to. Gumagana rin to. Then, pagdating dito, nakita nyo na hindi gumagana. Well, you check the NIC or the config is wrong. Then, tick nyo ito. Then, that's it. Guys, this is not 100% sure shot na way para mag-troubleshoot. No, it's only a reference for you to troubleshoot. Okay? So, at least you have a guide. Kasi mahirap na ngayon, lalo na you're troubleshooting blindly. So, at least you have something to refer to. Okay? Ito rin, meron tayo dito. Ano yung Kailan mo gagamitin yung top-down button, top-down method for troubleshooting. Use when cannot access application, browser show error. Then bottom up is link lights off, cannot get the HCP. So, meron din dito kung mostly Cisco configuration to. So, ang common dito is show commands by Cisco. Next is divide and conquer. Follow the path, swap components. Kaya na mag-explore nito and it's easy to use. Okay? Okay, i-move ko lang to. Let's move here para makita nyo. Meron din tayong BGP path selector dito. This is for advanced users. Then, meron tayong protocol simulator. Example, gusto kong malaman kung paano ba gumagana itong TCP three-way handshake. So, click next. SYN-ACK, client ACK, data A, finish. Okay, now OSPF. Okay, DHCP DORA, ARP resolution. Guys, it's up for you to use this tool. So, hope this tool can be useful to your studies or troubleshooting. So, have some fun. Thanks for watching.